Join your hands and close your eyes.
तूने हमें उत्पन्न किया, पालन कर रहा है तू, तुझसे ही पाते प्राण हम, दुखियों के कष्ट हरता है तू, तेरा महान तेज है छाया हुआ सभी स्थान, सृष्टि की वस्तु वस्तु में तू हो रहा है विद्यमान, तेरा ही धरते ध्यान हम मांगते तेरी दया, ईश्वर हमारी बुद्धि को तू श्रेष्ठ मार्ग पर चला। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
मालिक तेरे बंदे उछला नजर, सूखा सूरज छुपा जा रहा है तेरी रोशनी में जो दम, तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम। नीति पर चले और बरी से तले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। ओ बुराई करे हम भलाई भरे, नहीं बदले की हो कामना। बढ़ उठे प्यार का हर कदम, और मीठे बैर का ये भरम। नीति पर चले और बरी से तले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नीति पर चले और बरी से तले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
Today's special assembly is by 7th class on the topic Be a Eco Messenger. So for this, first we have Gurpreet from class 7th who will tell us the meaning of being eco-friendly.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, our teachers and friends. Today, I am Gurpreet Kaur from class 7th. Today, I will tell you what does eco-friendly means. Eco-friendly items and materials are defined as being not environmentally harmful. These products promote green living or green manufacturing methods that lessen the amount or types of resources used. All natural products ensure safety from all dangerous chemicals that allows families to avoid risky additives that can cause any of these issues. Using eco-friendly products improves the quality of life in terms of mortality, age, diseases, and illness. Basically, it's all about doing no harm. Products, events, and services that are eco-friendly don't cost the earth. In short, eco-friendly products help the earth, cause it no harm.
Next we have some eco messengers from class 7th who will tell us the ways to be eco-friendly.
And I am an eco messenger. We should not use plastic containers. Replace plastic containers with glass, steel, wood or bamboo containers. Plastic containers can't be destroyed in any way. So you should use always steel, glass or wooden containers to store things. They can be reused as well as are easy to recycle. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Rai. I am from class 7th and I am an eco messenger. Today I am going to tell you about why should we use public transport. Public transport can convey many more people than individual auto cars. It will reduce air pollution from idling vehicles. And that will help the riders to avoid the stress that comes from daily driving in highly congested areas. You don't have to worry about finding parking space. And it is also a good place to meet new people.
I am Tanishka from class 7th. I am Eco Messenger. I am going to tell you that why we should remember to carry a bag. We should always carry a bag with us. Whenever we go out to buy something, as we for air environment, so never take poly bag. From the shopkeeper. Always carry your own bag. Thank you.
I'm Lakshita Luthra from class 7th. I'm an eco messenger. Why should we use paperless? Going paperless helps to reduce carbon dioxide emissions, turning a single tree into 17 reams of paper results in around 110 IBS of carbon dioxide being released into the atmosphere. Additionally, trees are also carbon sinks, and every tree that is not cut down for paper usage is able to absorb carbon dioxide gases. The average tree can absorb around a ton 2000 IBS of carbon dioxide in its lifetime.
Hello everyone, I am Mitali West from class 7. I am the Eco Messenger. Today I am going to tell you 2 examples of how you can reduce carbon footprint of your home. Wow! So I just entered this room and I saw the light was off because nobody in this room. So everyone should keep a check online and should not waste it unnecessarily. This will help in both reducing the wastage of electricity and the power bill of house.
Now, let's recall all the points. To make our surroundings sustainable and live an eco-friendly life, we should replace plastic containers with metal and glass containers, use public transport and walk for short distances to reduce pollution. Always remember carrying a jute or paper bag and avoid using plastic bags. Reduce the carbon footprint of our homes by improving the energy efficiency. Use less paper to save trees and recycle more. Also, Diwali is the time to seek blessings from the elderly and show affection to babies. Here are some things you can keep in mind while celebrating Diwali. Use organic colors and real flowers and leaves for Rangoli instead of plastic flowers. The energy used in normal electronic lights is wasted a lot. Instead of that, use the traditional way to celebrate the festival and light diyas and candles, which are the better replacement of it.
Now we all will take a pledge that we will ensure the things that are told by the students of 7th class. We will replace the containers, we will save the energy. Now with this thought that you should use the eco-friendly things, join the respective classes everyone. Thank you everyone.